Hello students, welcome to our part 2 of फर्स्ट इन एग्रीकल्चर एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर। इससे पहले हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट में 1 to 44 हमने बात किया था। इस वीडियो में हम 45 to 150 तक बात करेंगे फर्स्ट इन एग्रीकल्चर एंड हॉर्टिकल्चर। नाउ स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट पाइनएप्पल हाइब्रिड इन इंडिया, अमृता, जो कि क्यू इंटू राइपली क्वीन के क्रॉस से बनाया गया था। पाइनएप्पल रिसर्च सेंटर KAU, केरला एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी, त्रिशूर। नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट क्वाइन द टर्म पपाया रिंग स्पॉट, जेनसन। जो ये PRS पपाया रिंग स्पॉट है, ये PRSV वायरस पपाया रिंग स्पॉट वायरस से होता है, कॉज होता है। और इसका जो रिंग स्पॉट का जो वेक्टर होता है, रिंग स्पॉट एफिड से फैलता है वेक्टर। और बात कर ले हम अपना, एक होता है पपाया लीफ कर्ल वायरस जो वाइट फ्लाई से ट्रांसमिट होता है। Now next, first reported heterosis in papaya cross between Philippines into Solo, which was given by Dye in 1960. Next, 48, first recorded PRSV Western India in 1958. जो PRSV है उसका वेक्टर एफिड होता है। Now next, first noticed protogyny in avocado by Nirodo in 1922, but PDSD first reported by Berg in 1969. 51, first processed fruit in human civilization was fig. Next, first fruit preserved by drying, fig. Fig is first dried and first fruit cultivated by humans. Next, first plant cultivated, first food of man and first food offered to babies is banana. Banana में एक वेराइटी होती है कुन्नन, KUNNAN, कुन्नन वेराइटी which is used for making baby food. Okay. Next, first banana breeding work was started in Imperial College of Agriculture, Trinidad at 1922. Next, first time cultivar basrai introduced at GFE station Pune at 1924. 56, first reported stooling in 1954 in guava. Next, 57, first research station on apple in 1917, East Malling Research Station EMRS, Kent, England. And second, John Innes Center of Merton, जो EMRS है हमारा उली एप्पल एफिड, जो वायरस रेसिस्टेंट प्लांट होता है वो डेवलप करता है। यहाँ से जितने भी वेराइटीज़ होते हैं जो डेवलप हुए अभी तक एप्पल के, वो हमारे वायरस रेसिस्टेंट होते हैं। इमला सीरीज जो पढ़ते हैं हम लोग, EMLA, स्मेलिंग लॉन्ग एज थॉर्न। नेक्स्ट, 58, फर्स्ट उली एफिड रेसिस्टेंट वेराइटी मर्टॉन 793. Next, 59, first apple cultivar known parentage was developed by Thomas Andrew Knight, TA Knight. Next, 61, first discovered botanical disease of plant Irvinia amylivora introduced from England in 1940. First commercial self-fertile variety of sweet cherries, Stella. चेरी पे एक रूट स्टॉक यूज होता है कॉल्ट, COLT, कॉल्ट जनरली यूज किया जाता है उस रूट स्टॉक का। फर्स्ट फ्रूट क्रॉप माइक्रो प्रोपेगेशन स्टडीज, स्ट्रॉबेरी। फर्स्ट सिस्टमेटिक स्ट्रॉबेरी ब्रीडिंग प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्टेड इन इंग्लैंड इन 1817 बाय यूजिंग F. colonensis clones, Fregeria colonensis. 64, first triploid variety of loquatis, Kibou. Next, first reported granulation in citrus in California. Next, first reported citrus greening. Citrus greening का वेक्टर होता है citrus psylla. First observed canker at Dehradun in 1831 from USA. 68, first citrus fruit variety patented Ruby, bird spot of Thomson and डीप रेड फ्लेस्ट, विच इज डीप रेड फ्लेस्ट. ओके, रूबी वेराइटी थी हमारी. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट टाइम कल्टीवेशन ऑफ सपोटा इन महाराष्ट्र इन 1898. इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट मैंने फर्स्ट कीवी जो बताया था वो कमेंट में आप बताएंगे. फर्स्ट कीवी प्लांटेड इन विच प्लेस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट कमोडिटी इन विच ग्रेडिंग and marketing rules were made, and first horticultural fruit crop was grape, which was exported. Now 71, first central project now 71, first central vegetable breeding station Katran, Kullu Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Next, first project coordinator of vegetable Dr. Vishnu Swarup. 73, first project director of IVR Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, वाराणसी उत्तर प्रदेश में जो है डॉक्टर जी कालो, गौतम कालो. 74, फर्स्ट मेंशन ऑफ हाइब्रिड सीड इन सीड कैटलॉग 1954 USA. 75, फर्स्ट F1 हाइब्रिड ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर पूसा मेघदूत जो बोटल गर्ड की थी, पूसा मंजरी 1971 बाय IARI. फर्स्ट F1 हाइब्रिड रिलीज इन 1973 टोमेटो में कर्नाटका वेराइटी थी जो पूसा मेघदूत थी 1971 में थी, एंड टोमेटो इन 73. कैप्सिकम की जो भारत वेराइटी थी वॉज फ्रॉम IAHS बैंगलोर. फर्स्ट रिपोर्टेड हाइब्रिड विगर इन चिली इन 1933 from IARI by Desh Pandey. Note that. 78, first use of polythene as a greenhouse cover in 1948 by Emery Meyers Emmott. Next, first rank in grafted vegetable country Japan 81%, followed by Korea and in Korea 54%. 81, first reported self-incompatibility in Varvescum phoenicum by Kohl-Reuter, J.G. Kohl-Reuter. Next, first discovered CGMS, cytoplasmic genetic male sterility, by Jones and Davis in 1944. Next, first reported GCMS, cytoplasmic male sterility, Jones and Emsweller in onion, cultivar Italian red. First hybrid in celery using cytoplasmic male sterility was Green Giant in 1982, Taki Seed Company in Japan. Next, first employed pure line selection by Johansson to improve seed weight and in French bean. 85, first to produce single cross hybrid in maize by Gietzel and double cross given by D.F. Jones. Next, first reported heterosis in tomato Hedrick and Booth in 1907. Next, first reported hybrid vigor in brinjal Nagai and Kira in 1926. First interspecific hybrid between Sweet William into Carnation was developed by Thomas Fairchild in 1717. First intergeneric hybrid, ये दो आप हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं, ब्रेडविट क्रॉस राई बाय रिम्पाउ इन 1890. Now next, 90, first intergeneric hybrid between radish and cabbage was developed by Karpenchko in 1927 in Russia. Next, first proposed ideotype first proposed by Donald in 1968. Next, first quantum homeostasis by Lerner in 1954. Next, first suggested use of synthetic hybrid commercial cultivar in maize by Hayes and Garber in 1990. 94. First discovered CMS in onion in 1925 for seed production. First rank in productivity of garlic was Egypt. Now you can go to the NHB site and see the recent data. Okay, it may be right or wrong. You can go with NHB site. First indigenous variety of leek, Palm postic. Next, first time reported heterosis in carrot by Poole in 1937. First discovered petaloid cytoplasm known as cornel petaloid by Munger in 1953. Next, first reported petaloid anther CMS in cultivar Cornell Wild. Next, 100. First reported brown anther cytoplasmic male sterility cultivar Tender Sweet by Welch and Greenball in 1947. 101. Next, first carrot fly resistant variety Fly Away in 1993. Next, first black colored variety of carrot in India was Pusa Asita. 103. First temperate hybrid developed using CMS Pusa Nayanjoti. First orange colored temperate hybrid. First public sector hybrid using CMS Pusa Vasudha. It is also a variety of carrot. First genetically improved variety of elephant foot yam in the world is Sri Athira. Mark that. Next, first genetically improved variety of taro Sri Kiran. 107. First reported self-incompatibility in coal crops by Bateman in 1954. 108. First cabbage hybrid Nagoka in Japan in 1951. First cytoplasmic male sterility based F1 hybrid in cauliflower is KTH27. First reported male sterility in radish by Ogura in 1968 in Japanese radish type. Next, 111. First purple fleshed radish variety was Pusa sagerica. First hybrid of Nolkhol was Rogoli. Next, first sequenced vegetable crop was cucumber. In first part, I have discussed about first crop, first horticultural crop. तो आप उसका जवाब कमेंट में देंगे. फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस्ड हॉर्टिकल्चरल क्रॉप एंड फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस्ड क्रॉप. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट gynoecious line in cucumber MSU 7135 which was cross of Sogoin into Wisconsin SMR 18 developed by C.E. Peterson in 1960. Next, 115. First gynoecious hybrid in cucumber Pusa Sanyog in 1971. Next, first tropical cucumber hybrid Phule Prachi by MPKV Rahuri. Next, first extra early parthenocarpic variety of cucumber Pusa seedless. Next, first true mini watermelon cultivar New Hampshire Midget developed by A.F. Yeager. Next, first fusarium wilt resistant variety of watermelon was Conqueror developed by W.A. Orton. Conqueror variety fusarium wilt resistant to watermelon. Next, first horticultural classifications of melon given by Nodin in 1859 and later modified by Munger and Robinson in 1991. 121. First F1 hybrid of muskmelon is Punjab hybrid, which is cross of MS1 into Haramadhu in 1984, resistant to powdery mildew. Next, first muskmelon variety grown under net house in northern Indian plains was Pusa sarda. First early maturing variety of round melon, Pusa ronak. First early maturing variety of long melon, Pusa utkars. First hybrid of pointed gourd, CHES hybrid 1, which is resistant to fruit fly. Next, फर्स्ट हाइब्रिड ऑफ पॉइंटेड गार्ड हो चुका है. नेक्स्ट 126 फर्स्ट इंप्रूव वेराइटी ऑफ एस गार्ड पूसा उज्जवल फॉर पेठा प्रिपरेशंस. 127 फर्स्ट इंटरवेराइटल हाइब्रिड ऑफ ग्रेटर यम श्री शिल्पा. फर्स्ट कोलियस वेराइटी ग्रोन इन केरला श्री धारा. फर्स्ट रिपोर्टेड इनेशन लीफ कर्ल वायरस which is seen at IIHR, whose vector is whitefly. Next, first machine harvestable tomato cultivar was developed by GC Hana. Comment the name of variety which was used for machine harvesting. Now next, 131 first male sterility in tomato was reported by CM Rick. Next, first tomato resistant cultivar Pan America. 133 first triple disease resistant variety was Arka Rakshak. Then after Arka Rakshak, Arka Samrat, and now 4 disease resistant variety was Arka Abhed. Last, first hybrid tomato available cultivation in 1973. Next, first root knot nematode resistant variety of tomato was selection 120. First reported heterosis in brinjal was Kaki Saki in 1931. First male sterility in brinjal by Jasmine in 1954. First functional male sterility line in brinjal UGAI MS cultivar Florida Haibus Pathak Next, first reported little leaf brinjal Thompson Krishnaswamy. Thompson and Krishnaswamy. Next, first discovered CMS in Chile by Peterson in PI 164835. First president of CPRI Central Potato Research Institute Dr. S. Ramanujan. First international flower auction center was launched in Bangalore. Auctions means Nilami. Now next, first rank foliage plant in global market was Dieffenbachia. Next, first rank cut flower in global market is rose. First rank pot plant in global market is Hedera. First rank dry flower in global market is Helichrysum. First rank cut green in global market is Asparagus. Next, first hybrid in ornamentals is Prima Donna Begonia Esperflorens in 1909 by Benry Seed Company. Next, 149 first evidence of ornamental tree, the people Ficus regilosa, comes from Mohenjo-daro. Last, 150 first world first Vertica forest Bosco Verticale in Milan. Now students, part 3 from 151 to 251. Thanks for watching. और इस PDF को पाने के लिए लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं टेलीग्राम का दे दूंगा, जिससे आप जुड़कर इस जो क्लास की PDF है आप प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। जो हमारी टेलीग्राम है उसकी मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब मॉडर्न एग्रीकल्चर। थैंक यू।